In this task, we need to create a branch xfusion corp underscore official from master branch. So before doing this task, I'd like to explain what are Git branches and how we usually use in while working in an organization. So this is a repo, a sample repo. Just clone it. So once you clone it, I'm just gonna open a VS Code. And open terminal with control and tick symbol. Otherwise you can right click. You should have actually a command prompt here, but I don't have it. Just it doesn't matter. So what you need to do now, if I run the command git branch, you can see main. But what we are going to do, we are going to create another branch. So basically we keep intact this main branch. We don't make any changes inside this branch straight away. So basically we create a new branch. So once you create a new branch, whatever the content inside this branch we have, it's the same is gonna copy to the new branch, and then you can make changes inside that branch, and then later you would raise a PR, pull request. So this is what you do while working in an organization. So I'm going to edit this file. So I'm just gonna add another header. So it could be anything. If you are a DevOps engineer, you could be writing Terraform code or something else. It doesn't matter. So the same way you use the Git as well. So what you can do actually, I'm gonna say uh, welcome to DevOps, for instance, and then save it. So once you, oh, actually I forgot to create a new branch. So I'm just gonna copy it. Say Control Z. That looks fine. Just run the command git status. So no changes. So before making any changes, we need to create a branch and switch it to it. So just use this command git checkout and then -p. So this creates a new branch, at the same time checks out. So I'm gonna say we're going to add something. Just this name should be as per your company organization policies. So for the example sake, I'm gonna create maybe cloths. So if you do git branch, now you can see cloths, and then you can see asterisk star. So that means you already switched to this branch. So I'm gonna make changes now, save it, and if you run the git status command now, it says modified. What you can do, you can actually you can commit this one in two ways. You can straight away use git commit -am. Because it's modified one, you can use -am straight away. Otherwise what you can do, git add dot adds everything, or you can specify the file name, and then git commit -m, give it commit message, add h2 for instance. So if you do git status now, it looks clean. But then what I'm going to do, I'm going to push this branch to remote repository. Git push origin and give it the branch name. So once you do that, if you go back here, you can see a new branch has been pushed here. You can see that if you refresh this page, you can see that a new branch here. So our main branch index file has only one line, but if you switch to this clocks branch, you can see two lines. So this is ahead of that main branch. So what you can do, you can come here, create a pull request, click on pull request, and then new pull request. So I'm going to merge, so you can see the arrow. So it's from class branch to main branch. You can see whatever the changes you have in here, and then create a pull request. You can add a brief description. This is what we do while working in an organization. So just give something, add it, h2 header, something meaningful, okay, and then create a pull request. So once you do that, so someone in your team is going to check this, check this branch, and what are the changes you made, and then they'll approve it. And then once they approve it, you can merge this code to your main branch. So this is how it works. So checking for the ability to merge automatically. Okay. So that's what happens in real time. That's what we use branches. So once you're done with that branch, you can come back here and you can delete this branch. So let's jump back to a task now on storage server. So SSH into Natasha STST01 with the password. Again, I'm repeating this. Just don't try to finishing task. Just focus on what you're doing, what you're learning. Okay, if you jump to this directory, cd2, now you can run the command git status. Oh, that's git status. To lsfnl, you have these files, and then you need to create a branch, this branch from master branch. So before that, check which branch you're in. It's okay, you're already in this branch. You need to check this branch first. Git checkout master. If you do git branch now you can see asterisk to the master branch. So do ls-l, only one file you have. Now run the command git checkout -b and the new branch name. New branch name should be this one. Yeah, if you run the command git branch, now you can see that branch and it's been checked out as well. So do we need to make any changes? Just a branch, that's it. Yeah, that's been done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, just please comment on this video. Thanks again.